Hi Scorpio, welcome po sa inyong reading. Pagpasensyahan nyo na po kung tayo'y nag-skip ng ilang days dahil hindi po ako pinapayagan ng doktor magsalita pa. Kung makikita nyo naman, the last reading medyo tayo'y hindi na maganda yung pakiramdam. Actually, pinagpapahinga pa rin ako pero hindi ko kasi matitiis yung hindi magbigay ng information or ng reading sa inyo. So, pakilakasan na lang ang volume if in case na hindi ninyo marinig. But I'm trying to do all my best, para ma-deliver sa inyo ang message. Ayan. So, para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Now, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. At kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, you're very much welcome. Dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV. Now, so Scorpio, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So magsimula na tayo, no? Scorpio. Ayan. So, Scorpio, parang ang nakikita naman natin dito is medyo napapansin natin na meron ng mga pagbabago. And these changes are positive. It may not be what we are actually expecting, no? Or we may have set a bar. Kunyari, ang ina-expect natin is hindi masyadong lumabas, no? Or wag nang lumabas si person. I'm just using it as an example, no? Pwedeng hindi naman ito. Sabihin natin, wag nang lumabas. Pero nakikita nyo naman, may mga times na hindi na siya lumalabas. May times na lumalabas pa rin, pero not as frequent as before. So, nakikita din naman natin dito na medyo pinagbibigyan or mapagbibigyan na itong mga hiling natin, no, Scorpio. Again, tulad ng sinabi ko, it may not be a full blast of what we actually wanted. However, nakikita naman natin or makikita na natin, no, itong mga changes sa ating person when it comes to their approach and attitude towards the connection. So Scorpio, with the Four of Cups and the Two of Pentacles, what's kumbaga ang nagiging issue dito or what's blocking these changes is this on and off kind of thing, no? Or decision making. Minsan, oo, sige, ibibigay ko. Minsan, si person is nagiging selfish, no? But, again, katulad ng sinabi ko dito, because of the changes, nakikita mo, para kang naghihilot, no? Let's say, meron ng stiff neck, no? Pwedeng nakukuha siya sa isang hilot, but chances are, it could be a session of hilots para mawala yung pagka-stiff, no? Ng muscle. So, parang ganun din naman siya. At least may relief, no? May relief tayong nararamdaman. Pero parang sa atin, konti pa, no? It's not that siguro ang iniisip pag nakikita ito ni person ay ang unappreciative naman ni Scorpio. It's not that hindi na-appreciate. Thankful kasi merong mga konting pagbabago, but kumbaga, I'm only going to be happy if the satisfaction, no, parang has already met. With the Page of Wands and the Queen of Swords, So, minsan medyo nasasaway-saway pa rin natin. We cannot take that away from Scorpio kasi sabihin natin na naging sobrang focus kasi no ni Scorpio. So parang binigay naman niya lahat. It's just that the expectation parang hindi nami-meet. But it doesn't always mean na itong galit ni Scorpio or inis niya towards the person. Not just to call out, but siguro sabihin na lang natin din na si Scorpio comes from the place of love na gusto niya talagang either mapabago, no? Yung situation or yung buhay mismo ni person. With the Emperor and the Page of Pentacles, si person naman nakikita dito na, yeah, I get what you mean. So parang naging ano ako dito ngayon, mediator sa inyong relationship. Si person naman sinasabi na kukuha ko, kaso masyadong strong kung paano mo sa akin sinasabi, masyadong strong kung paano mo i-deliver. And sometimes, I feel like intentionally do not want to obey, no? Itong mga sinasabi mo sa akin kasi I felt like ina-under mo ko or you're overpowering me, no? With the Queen of Pentacles, the Five of Cups. So, ang nakikita natin dito, parang wow, with the Queen of Pentacles. Parang sabi ni Scorpio dito, ay nako, bahala ka na nga, no? Parang, ay nako, bahala ka na kasi nananawa na ako. Nakakasawang mag-alaga. Mabuti sana kung bata ka, no? Marunong ka na nga gumawa ng bata. Pasaway ka pa rin. With the Hierophant in here and the Ace of Cups, sabihin natin, yes, the maturity may not be on the same level, but with a Hierophant, I believe that both of you are going to meet, sabihin natin, meet halfway, no? Can I give a date on here? Siguro sabihin natin, ito na yung openings, no? Itong dates na ito. But I can see here the giving or agreeing into this agreement, contract, no? First week of next month. So, konting tiis pa, Scorpio. Kasi parang pakiwari natin dito is hindi tayo binibigyan ng hindi tayo pinapakinggan, no? Parang feeling mo nagbibingi-bingi si person pero hindi naman, naririnig niya. Ayaw niya lang yung way of delivery or probably yung pautos, no? Let's check your person's emotion. Now, this could be your person's emotion or your emotion per se. Our love is eternal and you are the light at the end of my tunnel. At the end of the day, parang sinasabi pa rin naman ni person dito, Scorpio, na ikaw pa rin naman yung pipiliin ko, ikaw pa rin naman yung pakikinggan ko, no? Yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo will always win. Yung pagmamahal ko sa'yo will always hears you. Pero siguro sana wag yung dating is parang pabala, no? Siguro ayaw lang ni person ng ganon. Kasi na parang natatapakan ang kanyang ego with the Emperor is very egoistic, no? Parang type of energy din. Kasi I'm more than a king. I am an emperor, no? So, wag naman sana masyadong Queen of Swords. Doon tayo nagkakaroon ng clashes. So, let's check here the zodiac sign of your person. This could be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Sun in Taurus, Aries, Leo, Pisces, Virgo, Capricorn, baka kapwa Scorpio, Cancer, no? So that is your reading, Scorpio. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button Smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dito po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. Yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. Ano po? So kung hindi niyo po maabutan yung live sessions, pwede naman kayong magtanong dito sa comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Pero kung hindi nyo nga naabutan, dumiretso na kayo doon sa ating question form, no? Sa description box po, there is a link. Sa link po na yun, i-route na kayo doon sa ating web form or website. All you need to do is to follow the instructions. Nandun po yung QR code sa pinakababa. And those QR codes are labeled, no? Designated po siya. How much per question, the name, the number for your reference. Ayan. If you also want to use multiple or send multiple questions, no, madali lang naman po yan. 1 + 1 = 2. So, kung 3 questions po, kasi sinasabi niyo doon, o sinasabi nung iba actually, paano po pag 3 questions? So, they use the 2 questions plus 1 question equals 3. 2 + 1 = 3, no? So if you also, I also created a 4 questions plus 1, by the way, take advantage of it. So 4 questions, discounted na, may libre pang isa. If you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya, pakihanap na lang po yung QR code, no? So kung hinahanap nyo po yung ibang mga readings, nagsisimula na rin po tayo, no, na magkaroon ng for Facebook exclusive, for TikTok exclusive, and for YouTube lang, no? So, might as well follow nyo na ako sa mga social media accounts, no? How to follow kung hindi nyo naman siya mahanap, no? Sa question form po, meron din mga icons. Ayan. Sa icons po na yon, click nyo lang yung, let's say, Facebook logo, that dediretso na kayo doon sa Facebook. Ayan. So, this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na reading. Goodbye.